So over here, you can see that I have this particular design right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then add in different names that I have stored so that it says happy birthday and that particular name right here. So you can see that this is the birthday right here. This is the design. So I want the name over here on the bottom. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can actually utilize something called PrintMerge. So to do that, I'm going to go to File and then I'm going to go to PrintMerge and click on Create and Load PrintMerge. And over here, what I'm going to do is, let's say, for example, import a data source right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around onto the folder and let me just go ahead and type in names. And here you can see that I have an Excel file. There are many different file formats that are supported and Excel is one of them. So let's just go ahead and select and click on open, and I can see that it actually went ahead and imported out the 19 names that it has actually stored in that Excel sheet right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue right here. Once you do that, you got the PrintMerge. So this is the text, as you can see right here. So you can simply insert out the field right here. And what you can do is simply keep it right here. So now you can actually go ahead and double click this and then go ahead and choose a different font as you like as well. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and select this type of a name right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So now you can see that this is what you have right here. You can go ahead and, let's say, for example, resize it out right here. And then let's say, for example, place it wherever you want. So let's just go ahead right here. And this is what you have. So now if you want to go ahead and generate out the design with all of the names right here, simply click on Create Merge Document right here. And then it goes ahead and creates individual pages right here, just like this, with different names, as you can see right here in that placeholder. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can see that there are multiple pages in the document, and in each odd pages right here, you can see that there is different names right here generated out just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize PrintMerge to insert out a list of names to your design inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe